Zhengzhou Liwei Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited, referred to as Liwei, is a professional manufacturer of poultry farming equipment, which integrates scientific research, production sales, installation, and service together. Liwei mainly focuses on A-type full automatic chicken cage system, H-type full automatic chicken cage system, and other related supporting equipment, environmental control system, cooling fan and pad, automatic feeding system, egg collecting system, ventilation system, with an annual production capacity of more than 1 million sets. The main products of Liwei are A-type and H-type automatic caged equipment. A-type equipment features the mature technology, easy operation, energy conservation, labor and feed saving, which greatly improve the breeding rate, decrease the ratio of feed to egg, and has a better ventilation as well. H-type automatic caged equipment has high level of automation and labor cost saving, which effectively decreases the contact rate between man and livestock, avoid cross-infection, and reduce the disease infect. Supporting a high degree of automation equipment, stable working of the feeding machine and belt conveyor of the manure removal system, which is environmental friendly and could improve the reuse of manure. Both the cage treatment adopt the electrostatic spraying, which has the feature of anti-corrosion, lower egg breakage rate, and longer lifespan. Customer could choose the proper equipment according to their needs, fully meet their various farming needs. Electrostatic spraying automatic production line marketed in 2012 with phosphating technology and electrostatic spraying technology to get rid of oil, anti-corrosion, phosphating and passivating. The chicken cage product is smooth, beautiful, environmental, strong adhesive, antioxidant, high anti-corrosion, and long lifespan, which is better than galvanizing technology. Our product not only won high acceptance in China market, but also won high praise from worldwide users and export to more than 30 different countries and regions in Southeast Asia, Africa, South America, and Middle Asia. Under the market environment that poultry products and technology are constantly breakthrough, the 600,000 birds chicken modern farm achieved the seamless connection between scientific farming and network information by set console operation to chicken shed. The cultivation workshop will be able to precisely and intelligently operate the temperature, humidity, ventilation, and lighting equipment. The related data and dynamic image will be captured and transferred to mobile terminal and PC devices via Internet to check all dynamic information in a timely manner, which is convenient, fast, and highly efficient. The combination of information and technology is a great step forward for the implementation of modern cloud farming. What the customer needs is exactly what we have to do. Client satisfaction is our eternal pursuit. Our company made strict and standardized services standards and measures, elaborately offer pre-sale service, sales service, and after-sale service. We offer different farming designs, poultry farm construction, product supply, equipment installation and commissioning, training for using and breed farming technology. And we also offer one-to-one technology tracking service and 24-hour emergency response mechanism to offer lifelong service for clients like equipment repairing, maintenance parts installation, and replacement and services for upgrading and rebuilding. To solve clients' worries efficiently and realize mutual benefit and win-win cooperation. Global production, global sales, global services, relying on scientific and technological strength. We adhere to the pursuit of quality and provide one-stop product solutions to customers around the world. The corporation propaganda slogan, "Work to the perfection, making the poultry farming simple," spread widely all over the world. Adhere to the quality first, service first corporate purposes. Liwi continue to investing resources in science and technology, talent, capital investment, scientific planning, innovation and development, and strive to achieve the harmonious development of enterprises and employees, the win-win cooperation between enterprises and customers, the dream of common progress between enterprises and society. Let the poultry farming become a happy and relaxed thing.